Hello, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. My name is Bridget, and in today's video we are making anti-inflammatory sugar-free elderberry drink. And at the end of the video I'll be sharing with you some health benefits of using elderberry frequently. I will also list all the ingredients and their right quantity in the description box below for easy access. I have already washed my pineapple in vinegar water and rinse it with enough water. So I'll cut them into smaller pieces and I'll place them in my pan. I will also cut my pineapples into smaller chunks and I'll add them into my blender. I will not take out the cud because this pineapple is sweet enough and the cuds are sweet as well. So I am going to cut everything and I'll add it into my blender for blending. I will also add some ginger to the pineapple. This is what we are going to be using as our sweetener to this drink. We are not going to be adding any sugar, honey, maple syrup or any other thing. I've added 2 sticks of cinnamon into my pineapple peels. I'll add enough water to cover and I'll bring it to a boil on the stove top. Moving on, I will be peeling 2 limes. You can use lemons if you prefer. I will be peeling the skin off the lime because if I leave them on, they may make my drink to be bitter. So if you are using lemons, you don't have to peel it. So I'll peel everything and cut them into smaller pieces and I'll add them onto my pot. This is how it is looking now. I'll give it a stir and let it come to a boil. I'm just going to boil this until the pineapple infuses its beautiful color into the water and turn it into yellowish. Moving on, I'm going to be toasting some grain of Selim, whole peppercorn and also some cloves. I'm going to be toasting them on low heat for about a minute or 2 just to bring out the flavors. And I'll set them aside for later. So this is our peel is boiling now nicely and it is done. So I'll let it cool down a little bit and I'll strain it. I'll strain it onto a picker bowl and I'll wash my pan and transfer it back into the pan and I'll add about 1.5 cups of water, just enough to make my drink. So this is the liquid that we've boiled from the pineapple peels. I'll be adding the elderberries. And you can see they begin to release their inky color into the liquid immediately. I'll also add the toasted grain of Selim, whole peppercorn, and also the cloves. I'll keep everything a stir and I'll place it on the stove top, let it come to a boil. And I will be cooking this on medium heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. This is how it is looking now. It is almost done and after 20 minutes and our drink is ready. We are now going to be straining this. The color looks a lot like Zumbo or Sobolo or hibiscus drink. So I'm going to be straining this into a bigger bowl and I will also be mashing the seeds later to get the most out of it. I'll add a little bit of water and I'll strain it back onto the bowl. I will be adding some of the juice to blend the pineapple. We are not going to be adding any sugar, maple syrup or honey to this drink. This pineapple with its fructose is going to give us enough sweetness to this drink. So these are some of the health benefits of elderberry if used frequently. Keeps the respiratory system healthy, prevents flu and cold symptoms, strengthens the immune system, maintains bone health, keeps clean, clear and youthful skin, keeps cholesterol under control, provides natural antioxidants, purifies and protects the liver, destroys cancerous cells, helps prevent infection. These are some of the health benefits of elderberry. And this is the same ingredient that is used in most kids' cough syrup. With all these health benefits, I hope you are inspired to try your own elderberry recipe home to keep your family healthy and safe. And thank you so much for watching this video. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to help support my channel. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.